Welcome. Ever built something cool on your computer and wish the world could see it? Today, I'll show you how to take your project from your computer to the internet. No expert skills required. We'll break down the process step by step, using free, beginner-friendly tools. By the end, you'll know exactly how to launch your own website for everyone to see. No jargon, no confusion, just a fun, simple guide to hosting your code. Ready to get started? Let's dive in. First, let's understand what hosting really means. Think of hosting like putting your book in a library. On your computer, your code is private. Only you can see it. Hosting platforms are like digital libraries. They store your code and make it accessible to anyone online. When you upload your project, the platform gives it a special spot and a unique web address. Now, anyone with the link can visit your site anytime, anywhere. The hosting service handles all the technical stuff, keeping your site online and running smoothly. All you do is provide your code. That's hosting in a nutshell. Let's meet the top digital libraries for your code. GitHub is the most popular. Millions of developers use it, and its GitHub Pages feature is perfect for hosting simple websites. GitLab and Bitbucket are great alternatives, each with their own free hosting options. All three let you store, track, and publish your code for free. You can try them all and see which feels best. Today we'll use GitHub because it's beginner-friendly and widely used. Let's get your project online with GitHub Pages. Time to publish your first website. Step 1. Create a GitHub account at github.com and sign up. Once logged in, click New to make a repository. Name it your -username.github.io. Replace your username with your actual username. Set it to public and create the repository. Click Add File. Create new file and name it index.html. Paste in some simple HTML like Hello World. Click Commit New File to save. Add more files if you want, like style.css or script.js. GitHub will automatically publish your site at https://your-username.github.io. Wait a minute, then visit your new web address. Your site is live for the world to see. That's it. You've hosted your first website. Celebrate your accomplishment. GitHub Pages is just the start. There are other fantastic options. Netlify lets you drag and drop your project folder to go live instantly. Vercel is great for modern JavaScript frameworks and offers automatic previews. Want to code and host in your browser? Try Replit or Glitch. Replit supports tons of languages and makes sharing easy. Glitch is creative and community-focused. Remix projects and learn by tinkering. These platforms are perfect for quick projects, learning, and collaboration. Explore and find what works best for you. Before you go, here are some quick tips for smooth web projects. Organize your files. Keep index.html in the main folder and use folders like CSS, JS, and images for other files. Use clear descriptive file names. Future you will thank you. Always name your homepage index.html so hosting platforms know where to start. Good organization makes your code easier to manage and share. Try hosting a small project today. Seeing it live is an amazing feeling. Share your site with friends and celebrate your progress. If you get stuck, the online community is always ready to help. Drop your questions or successes in the comments. Happy coding and happy hosting!